Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Best Buy, ticker symbol BBY. Best Buy on Tuesday, November 24th, are releasing Q3 earnings with an estimated earnings of $1.71 per share and an estimated $10.9 billion in revenue. Last week, Best Buy ticked up 3.46%, ending the week at $119.14. Let's hop over to our Trading View account where I've got several key things mapped out. First, one more piece of news. On November 17th, Instacart and Best Buy announced same day delivery of Best Buy products nationwide. This should definitely help their earnings for the next quarter and for this holiday season. Now, on the stock chart for Best Buy, again, ticker symbol BBY, we've got a solid trend line up from July to present that has been acting as a support and resistance level the whole way through. Now, right now, Best Buy has got a strong ceiling of resistance at around $120 per share. They also have a good support level at around $109 per share, with a secondary support level around $103 per share. Currently, Best Buy has been trading in a ascending triangle pattern, and if we pull up our notes for that, let's read it. An ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern and is characterized by a rising lower trend line and a flat upper trend line that acts as support. This pattern indicates that buyers are more aggressive than sellers as the price continues to make higher lows. And let's check out this ascending triangle. And we almost have a near perfect one, highlighted here with the green lines here. As we see, we are making higher lows every day for the past several days. That's the ascending part of the triangle. Now, the top green line here, it's not quite flat, but it's almost picture perfect for making an ascending triangle. So all that means is there are more buyers currently right now than there are sellers for Best Buy, which is pushing the price slowly and surely up. Now, this could be leading up to earnings, which are just in 2 days. And then once it consolidates and breaks free of this ascending triangle, it typically will go to the upside rather than the downside. Now, also on Best Buy, let me scroll down here. Currently, the technicals for Best Buy suggest that Best Buy is a buy to a neutral and hold pattern right now. And you can see there's 17 analysis saying buy, 9 are neutral, and only 2 are on sell. Let me close this out and go on over to performance. Last week, we've got performance of 4.23%, which almost matches our weekly gains of 3.46%. Now, when earnings come out on Tuesday, we will upload a video telling you what has happened, showing you on the technical chart where the price is headed. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you are enjoying these types of videos, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That really does help our channel.